You say there's so much you don't know.
Una kaming nagkita ay December 12, 2008. Ano pa ako na? High school. Di ba? Aga lumande. High school pa lang. Nag-aaral lang sa Don Bosco, Makati. Siya taga St. Mary's, Quezon City. So, paano nangyari? Ang layo. Yung isa naming kaibigan, parang may nililigawan dito sa QC din. And, ayun, sumama ako. Tapos, ayun, yung time na yon, may pinunta kaming bahay. Sabi, dito muna tayo, tambay muna tayo. Yun yung bahay ni Resma. Ayan.
I don't think you have to leave. If to change is what you need, you can change right next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows.
Pwede kang magkagusok sa kahit kanino. You can have a like or dislike to anybody, even without love. Like it is just a desire to something or to somebody just to feed your earthly desire or your earthly needs. And this word, like, it will not last forever.
Seryoso talaga siyang tao. Parang kapag, kunyari, it's time, parang may magkiklik na lang sa kanya na parang, tapos na ako magtrabaho, parang, ito na, happy na ulit, ganun. So, yun yung first impression ko sa kanya is yung funny, and then the next one is very responsible. As in, takot siyang ma-disappoint yung parents niya, mga ganun. Parang priority namin was to make our parents proud.
Through every twist and turn. Ooh, say it's true that the growing only
Namantikan yung sila. Sabi ng dad niya, first time daw niya akong nakita nung graduation niya nung high school. Sabi ko, never po akong pumunta sa graduation ni Chester. Sabi ko, hindi po ako yon. Sabi niya, hindi, di ba may picture pa kayo? Hindi po ako talaga yon.
Your eyes give life a new meaning. It's like I found the north lights. I never knew.
Natatawa siya nung nagpropose ako. No? Sabi ko, ba't mo ako tinatawanan? Seryoso ako. Ganun. Pero ganun kasi siya na tao na natatawa siya pag kinakabahan. Kasi natatay pa yun eh. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko sinasabing dream come true kasi parang feeling ko na palaki ako or na we're not really in a romantic setting. Parang very chill lang talaga. Like even my family is very chill. Walang ganun. Kaya parang ako, I don't know how to accept yung ganun. I think life should be like that. Kasi parang di mo na alam na gusto mo yung bagay unless natakot ka before having it.
Without you, your eyes give life a new meaning. It's like I found the north lights.
Parang yung ups and downs, there were more ups and then level lang. Pero not much down. Wala naman masyado. Maliban na lang dun sa part, maliban na sa part na sinapak ko siya, nagdugo yung ilong niya, yun lang yun.
Isama natin yun.
I can't imagine a life without you. I can't imagine one night without you. If something happened, don't know what I...
Ang pag-ibig, it is a 100% acceptance. Pag sinabing 100% acceptance, ang kahinaan mo, ang kalakasan mo, ang maganda at hindi maganda sa'yo, ang kabuuan mo, tinatanggap ng pag-ibig.
Relationship namin is not just about romance. Parang ano nga siya, parang from landian to friendship and now to partnership.
So, ito na. So, ito na yung pinaghandaan natin. Pero yun, yung journey natin, relationship natin na 12 years, masaya ako doon. Kaya naiyak na naman ako.
We made it easy for us. And the hard part was to work for our relationship in between. Instead of working for it na para mabuo, we're working for it para magtuloy-tuloy.
Ano lang, wag ka lang susuko. Ako din, dapat strong lang tayo. Siyempre, tagal na rin natin. Ano. Alam kong kayang-kaya natin yan. Wish ko, yun, makasama kitang tumanda.